A very good morning to all. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the remaining four object-oriented programming concept. Before we are proceeding with the object-oriented programming remaining four concept, first we will recall the previous class. In the previous class, we have discussed about the OOPS concepts like class and objects. The class is nothing but the collection of objects. The class, for that also we have discussed one example class name. The class name is for CST. The members, it will keep on changing. The current first year, if you are a student of this first year this year, then you will be the member of that first year class, first year CST class. Next year some other members will be attached. Okay, that thing we have discussed. And also for objects also we have discussed. Object is a real world entity, and each entity it will have a own state and behavior. Okay, for that we have discussed the example of student, human being and the dog. Okay, in this we will discuss about the inheritance concept. The inheritance is a mechanism which is used to inherit the properties from the existing class. Okay, previous class properties which we can acquire to the new class. While we are going to that, we were having the 5 types of inheritance. Okay, single inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid inheritance and multiple inheritance. Okay, in this the object-oriented programming in Java concept, this multi-level inheritance is not supported. Remaining all 4 types are supported. Single inheritance, in this only one base class and one subclass will be there. Then the hierarchical, one base class, multiple derived classes will be there. Then multiple inheritance base, then multiple base class will be there. We will have only one derived class. And here hybrid inheritance, we will have a one base class. From the base class we will derive the new 2 classes. From that 2 derived classes we can derive the another one class also. Okay, in depth we will discuss in the further videos. The next one is polymorphism. Polymorphism means single form, it will have a different meanings, or the one task is performed in a different ways. Basically it is derived from the 2 different words, polymorphs. Poly means many, morphs means forms. Okay. In this, there are 2 types of polymorphisms are supported in the object-oriented programming language: compile time polymorphism and the runtime polymorphism. The next one is the abstraction. Abstraction is nothing but the hiding of internal details, and just it will showing the functionality. Okay. Abstraction means just it will give the glimpse about that particular topic. It will not cover the in-depth implementation part. And the abstraction is the essential element for the object-oriented programming, and the programmer can manage the complexity of program, and this will be managed through the hierarchical classification. There are 2 types of abstractions are there: data abstraction and the process abstraction. For example, you can consider car. We don't know the internal processing of the car. And you can consider this food also. From that food, we are having the different types of foods. Okay, we will eat it, but the internal process we may not know. The next one is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but the wrapping up of data. That is, the internal data will be wrapped or hidden. Mechanism that binds together code and data and manipulate and keep safe from the outside interface or misuse. Okay, you can, for that you can consider the capsule. In that capsule, the entire capsule it is called as the class, and the 2 colors will be there, right? From that, the one it will be called as the variable and another one is called as the method. Okay, and also here also we are having the different types of encapsulation. The different types of encapsulation which is available in the object oriented programming is or member variable encapsulation, function encapsulation and the class encapsulation. These are the three types of encapsulation. Okay. And basically the object oriented programming, it will implies with the three principles: encapsulation, inheritance, and the polymorphism. The abstraction is nothing but it is the design level process, and the encapsulation is the implementation level process. Abstraction basically it will be used to reduce the complexity, and the encapsulation it will use to provide privacy and maintain the control over the transparency. It is the reference book. Thank you.